Hi, this is Caroline from SewCanShe, and I am so excited for what I have to show you today. I was contacted by Free Spirit Fabrics a little while ago and invited to help Valorie Wells unveil her latest fabric collection. It is called Enchanted, and it was inspired by a trip she took to Marrakesh. And the blog tour for Enchanted is going to be in March. So this is just a sneak peek of the Enchanted fabrics, and I'm so excited. So these are some solids that they sent. I asked my friend at Free Spirit to send me some solid fabrics to go along with my quilt. I think the green is going to be for a backing, and the blue for my background maybe, or vice versa, and the pink might be for my binding. But we'll see. Let me see here. It's in a fancy cake box. Oh my gosh, I love new fabrics. I always get so excited. Oh, what is this? A beautiful little handmade postcard. It says talented. Thank you, Valorie. And it says the power of creativity. This is so pretty. I'm gonna have to put it up around here. It's like a little mini quilt. So we've got some beautiful blues here. Nice blender. Beautiful bird print. Ooh, here is some solid. From what I understand, in Marrakesh, Valorie was teaching some girls to do block printing. So these fabrics are actually used some of the block carvings that they did in Marrakesh. Ooh, I love orange. Look at that. Wow. I love this orange print. And also it came with, I'm so glad they included solids with it. It gives me so much more to work with. Here's a red one, a pink one. It says a leader, smart, kind, love, generous, fearless, silly. The beautiful bird print. Ooh, this is a pretty green. Here's a pretty green solid to go with it. These are going to make a gorgeous, vibrant quilt. This, I can definitely tell that she was inspired by probably the architecture and the beautiful things that she saw in Marrakesh. Someday I will travel. Oh, that's a pretty basic. I wonder if they're going to make this basic in other colors. That is really pretty. Here's a bigger version of that. Well, it's not the same, but it's just that design in a bigger scale. I like that. Ooh, and this is kind of a tone-on-tone geometric print. I love that. Okay. Wow. My brain is already turning. Thank you, Valorie, for these beautiful Enchanted fabrics. I love the block printed designs. They are so unique and gorgeous, and the colors are saturated and beautiful, like I've come to expect from you and other Free Spirit designers. So everyone, please keep an eye on my blog, SewCanShe.com, where I already have a ton of quilting tutorials and free quilt patterns. And of course, this one will be coming in March. Please like this video and share it with all your quilty and fabric loving friends so they can get a look at this Enchanted fabric, the sneak peek, and I'll see you next time. Happy sewing!